Last week entitled BJP NDA with complete majority, and this brings economic stability and reforms in the forefront. This will give Rupee a very strong support if the ongoing trade war leads to a global slowdown. The only major negative factor for Rupee now is global crude prices, and only this can derail the expected appreciation of the currency. Oil prices in the coming couple of weeks are therefore likely to remain in the range of $68 to $72, and this will provide support to the rupee. Rupee is likely to move towards 69 to 69.2 and therefore towards 68.7 to 68.9. Also, if Brent prices remain in the range of $69 to 73, Rupee will sustain this rally over a longer period. Dollar could come under further pressure in the coming days as the negative impact of the US-China trade war begins to be felt more strongly in the US, even as Trump seems to realize this by backing away from forcing any deal on Japan during his current trip to the country. Our first target for this week remains 69 to 69.2, and we see this being achieved before the end of the week. The next focus for the markets will be on the RBI meet early next month and the presentation of the full budget, which is likely to contain aggressive provisions to help economic growth and capital investment. We will wait for these events to develop.